the start menu, go to run, type in msconfig, press OK. You will be directed to the system configuration utility. Go to general, select selective startup, go to the tab startup, and then check the things you don't want in your when you load your computer. When you're done, hit apply and then hit OK. Apply, close. Yeah. And I recommend you restart. Go to control panel, hit add or remove programs, and then delete all the programs that you don't use, because it frees up a lot of space on your hard drive, and yeah, you can use your computer will be a lot faster that way. Go to start, hit control panel, go to system, hit advanced, go to settings on performance, go to adjust for best performance. This is the best way to make your computer operate faster without adding random access memory, which is RAM. When you're done, hit apply. I'll apply, but it won't look as nice, but it performs a lot better though.